Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned garbanzo beans. First, you'll want to drain your canned garbanzo beans in a colander. This step is crucial for removing the canning liquid, which can be quite salty and sometimes affect the flavor. Rinse them thoroughly under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This helps wash away any residual sodium and improves their taste and texture for your recipes. Make sure they are well drained before moving on. Once rinsed and drained, it's time to add some flavor. Transfer your garbanzo beans to a bowl and drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This helps the seasoning stick. Now, sprinkle in your chosen spices. Cumin, paprika, and garlic powder are popular choices, but feel free to experiment. A 1/4 teaspoon of each is a good starting point. Toss everything together until the beans are evenly coated and ready for cooking. Now for the cooking. If you're aiming for a crispy snack, spread your seasoned garbanzo beans on a baking sheet and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring halfway. For a softer texture, you can sauté them in a pan with a little oil for 5 to 7 minutes, or simply add them directly to your favorite stews, curries, or salads. They are incredibly versatile and absorb flavors beautifully. After preparing your delicious garbanzo beans, proper storage is key. Allow any cooked beans to cool completely before transferring them to an airtight container. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days, making them perfect for meal prepping throughout the week. Enjoy them in salads, wraps, or as a standalone snack. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.